lost in translation. No motivation. Can't stop erasing this feeling. No relaxation that I'm seeking. Wake up in the morning thinking I'm in a hole, but I go to the motherfucking dining table where I grab myself a nice shiny clean looking bowl and eat some honey nut Cheerios until I grow old. When I'm stretching, I feel a prick on my arm. It's that little bastard from over there on the beef farm. Walk up to my nightstand holding my 45 so I can go outside and blow up that fucking beehive. After it's said and done, I see one alive. He's lying, squirming, dying, 'cause he almost took my life. I stomp on that little shit and I begin to thrive, because that fucker and his family have all fucking died. That is the story of how my morning went. Gonna go lay in bed because I am spent. Might have some brain damage 'cause I have a dent in my head, but I don't care because I don't pay rent.